stood so much of rain, heavy rain. Many of our compound walls has fallen, which is built in cement block. Compound walls have fallen with foundation. This building has stood.
And none of the items were damaged.
All this was inside, which is practically no roof. Ulla pathingla? செவர் இருந்தது மட்டும் இல்ல, செவுத்துல மாட்டின கேலண்டர் இருந்திருக்கு பாருங்க. Walls have cracked, but calendar has not fallen. Photograph is already printed to be given to the devotee's house. இதான் சுயம்புலிங்கம் தெரியுதா? இந்த மூலவர் சுயம்பு means in 2004 we already installed it. So this is printed in 2003. 2004 we have got the Yoni Pitam and installed under the banyan tree. So 2003. So because it is there as it was found, only puja is done. The சந்தனம் குங்குமம் இருக்கு, அதை வச்சு பூஜை பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். பாரு சந்தனம் குங்குமம் இருக்கு பாரு. So that shows puja was done. கண்டியெல்லாம் பண்ணியாச்சு 2003ல. Still now in many of the old devotees' house it is there. This photo is there. And Vibhuti cover, nothing has been done new. That's what, everything is done. And card, that's what. I materialized a Lakshmi deity for a devotee in Salem. He printed the card. The deity's picture is there. So we used to distribute this card to people. This is the car sticker to put it inside the glass. So we'll have to remove this and stick it inside. And blessing card, just Dhyanapedam and contact number. Abba, this is too much. Keychain. Keychain, appa. No. The first enlightenment pill. So these all I collected to start building the temple. You see, I started planning for a temple. So I started collecting the photographs of various other temples. Now show me. Like this, around 50 photographs I have collected. Various temples for planning. Still we are doing this job of collecting temple archives. See, actually the moment I am born, I have started the work. I have started my mission. You guys only can see the scale expansion, but the work I have started. See, every level evidence proves only this one thing. The moment I am born, I am clear about my vision, what I need to do. And I started doing. Did not bother about anybody. All these photographs, around 100 postcard photographs are there. All temples, various temples. This is Padakal, Jambulinga temple. Like this, all I started collecting for building temple. This is a healing stick I used to use those days from our bamboo. And this is a walking stick I used to use to walk around inside the campus and to clear the bushes while I am walking. One good thing is, those days photographs of me has all these items around me. That is the evidence. We have evidence. In 2003-4 photographs, if you pick up, you will see I am using this stick and using this stick for healing. This is for people to keep in their puja rooms. And Nityananda Puri, Kalgobanalli, Mysore Road, in English and in Tamil, and the address, office number, secretary number, PRO number, moon number. Whenever I want to do some work, I will directly pick up the books and start reading. I ask people to get books and start reading. I want to know about construction. I just called the devotees and told them, get me few books on civil engineering. That was my habit, lifestyle. And I said, get me some books on organic gardening. That building used to be the snake park, where they take the snake venom. This is the book on organic farming and organic gardening. What I want to do, I'll start collecting the resources and start working. That's all. No reasons. No reasons. No complaints. And no question of getting overwhelmed. I am alone. What am I going to do? What can I do? I will do what I have to do. Ma'am, these all are the evidences that what I am teaching now, I was living from the beginning. That was my lifestyle. That's the way I was and I am. See, when vision is given, we avoid vision in the name of work. Then have we done the work? No, because the vision need to be drunk when vision is being given. 2004 calendar come blessing card. Packet calendar and blessing card. And you should see the word Dhyanapeetham, meditation multiversity. See, it is 2004 calendar, means it is got printed till 2003 only. In 2003, Dhyanapeetham, meditation multiversity. The caption line. Here's the story. Now this story is really inspiring story. Story with evidences. It's not just story, history. July 4th is the first Ananda Yogam batch we started. 2003. No, Vivekananda left the body. Swami Vivekananda left the body. Mahasamadhi day. That is July 4th. Sannyas training. No. That is the sannyas training and Sadashivatva, first Sadashivatva batch. That's all. It was a training for sannyasis. That's the way it was. No, that's the way we started. The context, even if you see my first session, fortunately we video recorded all that in that small handycam. First session. Now what I am talking, the same thing I am talking, maybe I was talking in a little less English, that's all. English has become more. The context is same.